Well, Andy, I know you've got faith in the boys and everything, but did you ever see that result come in today?
No, of course we didn't. You know, it's, as we know, TNS is the hardest place to come in the league, but the boys were fantastic. The whole week, you know, the staff have been brilliant in prepping, and today all the credit goes to the players. They were outstanding.
It's really disappointing. Everyone's disappointed. We've not been great today. Missed good opportunities at good times, and then had three, you know, really sloppy goals against us. So now we're all bitterly disappointed, and you know, you know, we need to make sure we learn from that quite quickly.
Well, Ruben, 2 goals away to the new Saints and 3 points. You must be over the moon.
Yeah, over the moon. It's something we've been working on in training, pre-season, and got a reward today. So it's important now taking into the next few games and see where we are after that.
Talk us through your 2 goals. Start with the first one.
The first one I've had a chance just before, which I think I should have buried. I just keep going, keep getting those chances. I know they'll keep coming. It's dropped to me. The defender's leaped. I knew he was missing it.
Clinical finish for the second, a bit of a helping hand.
Yeah, the second one, yeah, it's almost gifted to me really, but in those positions it's just instinct really, smash it, corners, or high really, smallish keeper, so yeah.
At what point today did you think, yeah, you've got a good shout today? At what point did you in the game?
At the 97th minute when the whistle went. But no, to be fair, you know, once we've got our second goal, I think at that stage it gave us the confidence to believe that we can go and win this, you know. TNS started the second half on the front foot and much quicker than us, but once we've got into the game, this 10 minutes of the second half, and we took control of that in terms of controlling them and limiting their chances, then at that stage, the second goal then I think goes and wins the game.
You miss chances and you give really poor goals away, then it's not a good recipe, is it? You know, you look at it, we've defended really well all the way through European campaign, and we've done well, and you know, we've not conceded 3 goals in a game, you know, right the way through. So we've it's just come today, unfortunately. Like I said, missed some really good opportunities, and then give away 3 really poor goals. So yeah, it's a tough one to take. It is a tough one to take, but we've got to just take it on the chin, take it for what it is, and move on quite quickly, and make sure we're ready for next week.
Just said in the changing room, well done, pat on the back, but can we do this again next week? It's a different type of challenge next week, and the boys have got to be ready for it. And you know, I talked last year about us growing as a football team. Well, we're here now, you know, we've got to be standing up now. There's no more growing, it's about delivering now, and they've done that today, so the next challenge is next week.